Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to switch off a Vivo phone without a touchscreen. If you find yourself in the unfortunate situation where the touchscreen is unresponsive, you can reboot or power off your device by holding the side upper key and volume down keys simultaneously for about 10 seconds. As you can see, it absolutely does reboot the device. This will help you perform a soft reset, thus unfreezing whatever lag or issue you've encountered. That will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye.